Today we are going to see about world of microbes. Microbiology is a branch of biology that deals with living organisms of microscopic size, which include bacteria, algae, protozoa, and virus. Microbes are found in habitats like terrestrial, aquatic, atmospheric, or in living hosts. Some of them survive in extreme environments like hot spring, ice sheets, water bodies with high salt content and low oxygen, and in arid places with limited water availability. Microbes and their types. Microorganisms differ from each other in size, morphology, habitat, metabolism, and several other features. Microbes may be unicellular, like bacteria, or multicellular, like fungi, or acellular, that is, it is not composed of cells, virus. Types of microbes include bacteria, virus, fungi, microscopic algae, and protists. Bacteria. Bacteria are microscopic, single-celled, prokaryotic organisms without nucleus and other cell organelles. Although majority of bacteria species exist as a single-celled forms, some appear to be filamentous of loosely joined cells. The size varies from less than 1 to 10 nanometer in length. Bacteria may be motile or non-motile. Special structures called flagella are found on the cell surface for motility. Shapes of bacteria. Based on the shapes, bacteria are grouped as spherical shaped bacteria called as cocci, rod shaped bacteria called as bacillus, spiral shaped bacteria called as spirilla. Structure of a bacteria. Bacteria cell has cell membrane covered by a strong rigid cell wall. In some bacteria, outside the cell wall, there is an additional slimy protective layer called capsule made up of polysaccharides. The plasma membrane encloses the cytoplasm incipient nucleus. Ribosomes and DNA, which serve as genetic material. Ribosomes are the site of protein synthesis. They lack membrane-bound organelles. In addition to this, a small extra chromosomal circular DNA called plasmid is found in the cytoplasm. The term virus in Latin means venom or poisonous fluid. Viruses are non-cellular, self-replicating parasites. They are made up of a protein that covers a central nucleic acid molecule, either RNA or DNA. The amount of protein varies from 60 to 95%, and the rest is nucleic acid. Nucleic acid is either DNA or RNA. A simple virus particle is often called a viron. They grow and multiply only in living cells. They are the smallest among the infective agents, varying over a wide range from 18 to 400 nanometer. They can live in plants, animals, human beings, and even bacteria. They can be easily transmitted from one host to another. Characters of virus. Virus exhibit both living and non-living characters. Living characters of virus. They have the nucleic acid, that is DNA or RNA. The genetic materials that can replicate. They can multiply in the living cells of the host. They can attack specific host. Non-living characters of viruses. Viruses remain as inert material outside their host. They are devoid of cell membrane and cell wall. Viruses are devoid of cellular organelles like ribosomes, mitochondria, etc. They can be crystallized. Types of viruses. Viruses are categorized as given below. Plant virus. Virus that infect plants. Example, tobacco mosaic virus, cauliflower mosaic virus, potato virus. Animal virus. Virus that infect animals. Example, adenovirus, retrovirus, influenza virus, polio virus. Bacteriophages. Virus that infect bacteria cell is called as bacteriophage. Example, T4 bacteriophage. Fungi. They lack chlorophyll, hence depend on living or dead host for their nutritional needs. Fungi living on living host are called parasites, and those living on dead organic matter are called saprophytes. The body of the fungus is called thallus. Single-celled yeast ranges from 1 to 5 μ in width. They are spherical in shape. Flagella are absent and hence they are non-motile. In the case of multicellular forms, thallus is called mycelium. Mycelium is a complex of several thin filaments called hyphae. They are tube-like structures filled with protoplasm and cellular organelles. Cell wall is made up of cellulose or chitin. Cytoplasm contains small vacuoles filled with cell sap. Nucleus, mitochondria, Golgi body, ribosomes, and endoplasmic reticulum. Food material is stored in the form of glycogen or oil globules. They reproduce vegetatively by binary fission, budding, and fragmentation. Asexually, they reproduce by spore formation like conidia, and they sexually reproduce by male and female gametangium are called antheridium and oogonium. Prions. The term prion was coined by Stanley B. Prusiner in 1982. Prions are viral particles which contains only proteins. They do not contain nucleic acid. They are infectious and smaller than viruses. Prions are found in neurons and are red rod shaped. Prions induce changes in nuclear proteins. This results in the degeneration of nervous tissue.